the best Roccat Vulcan TKL keyboard. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're diving into the gaming experience with the best Roccat Vulcan TKL keyboard. Join us for an unboxing, hands-on analysis, and a comprehensive review of the features that make this tankless keyboard stand out. Whether you're a professional gamer or looking to upgrade your gaming setup, the best Roccat Vulcan TKL promises gaming efficiency, compact power, and a tankless triumph. The best Roccat Vulcan TKL keyboard. The Roccat Vulcan Pro Tactile Optical Gaming Keyboard is a standout device that offers a superior gaming experience through its innovative features and design. Let's delve into its key attributes. This gaming keyboard is manufactured by Roccat and is compatible with gaming consoles. It is specifically designed for gaming purposes. The keyboard, in a sleek black color, features a magnetic detachable palm/wrist rest for customizable comfort. Its operating system compatibility includes Windows 8, Windows 7, and Windows 10. With 107 keys and RGB backlighting support, it provides a visually dynamic and customizable gaming setup. The Roccat Vulcan Pro employs Titan switch optical technology, combining the speed of optical actuation with the tactile feel of mechanical switches. This ensures lightning-fast responsiveness and a distinct keystroke feel, enhancing the overall gaming performance. Tailored for gamers, the keyboard incorporates advanced anti-ghosting technology. This optimization guarantees that every keystroke, especially those of the most used keys, is registered accurately, even in the midst of intense gaming actions. Roccat's proprietary AIMO illumination system delivers vivid lighting scenarios out of the box. With full backlighting featuring 16.8 million colors, the keyboard creates an immersive and visually stunning gaming environment. The inclusion of a volume dial and backlit media buttons allows users to adjust volume, mute, and toggle lighting control on the fly. This mixer-style approach provides convenient and quick access to essential functions during gaming or media consumption. Roccat's Easy Shift Plus technology enhances customization by adding a secondary function to compatible keys. Holding down the designated modifier key instantly doubles the command power, providing flexibility and efficiency in gaming commands. Ensuring long-lasting durability, the optical switches operate contactlessly, preventing rust buildup and effectively doubling their life cycle to 100 million keystrokes. The keyboard's aircraft-grade black anodized aluminum top plate reinforces its structure, adding extra strength and durability. The Roccat Vulcan Pro Tactile Optical Gaming Keyboard stands out as an exceptional choice for gamers seeking a combination of cutting-edge technology, customizable features, and durability. With its advanced optical technology, AIMO illumination, and user-friendly design, it provides a top-tier gaming experience.